Okay, our fridge battery cutoff switch. As you see right now, I have it to off in the down position. If we come up here, try to run our fridge on battery, you're going to see it's going to blink at us. However, if I go down and flip that switch to on, now it's going to allow us to run off of the battery. Now if I flip that off and run on another mode, such as propane, you'll see it will still operate. You only need this on when you want to specifically dedicate the fridge to running off of the battery, which will look just like this.